The appearance of fine lines, puffiness, and dark eye circles can be a stubborn challenge, making you look aged and exhausted. Celavive Triple Action Eye Cream was made for it. Using proprietary technology, it helps support hydration to depuff, soften, and brighten the delicate skin around your eye. Experience faster, real results backed by science. This powerfully hydrating cream targets the look of fine lines and dark circles around the eyes, crow's feet, 11 lines, and vertical lines around your mouth and chin for a glowing, well-rested boost of confidence. Experience cellular skincare. Triple Action Eye Cream is specifically designed for women, 35 to 60 and beyond, looking for an eye cream that visibly firms, smooths wrinkles, and enhances skin hydration, all for healthier, glowing skin. This is a Celavive Pro Series product. Most products contain 3 to 5% active ingredients. This eye cream contains 19% key ingredients. These are clinically effective levels. For immediate benefits you can feel and see right away. Get real results faster, backed by sound science. Get clinical level results for a more confident, radiant you at any age. Triple Action Eye Cream harnesses advanced peptide technology to deliver visible results. It works deep within your skin to firm sagging areas and smooth visible fine lines. This lightweight formula also helps support the skin barrier and defend against environmental stress and photoaging, leaving your complexion noticeably firmer, plumper, and more youthful over time. Discover smoother, more youthful-looking skin with BioPeptide-CS. It features a blend of peptides and botanical extracts. It helps support the skin's natural moisture barrier and visibly smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a revitalized, healthy-looking complexion. It works in 3 ways. First, target concentrated ingredients designed to work where your skin needs it most. Second, support helps promote a more resilient and balanced skin surface. Third, reveal skin looks visibly refreshed, firmer, and more radiant over time. Plus, these proven ingredients help support a healthy skin matrix. Added copper tripeptide -1 helps protect skin from visible photo damage and improves hydration. It's the same copper peptide found in vitalizing serum. For dark circles, there's Haloxyl, a clinically studied peptide complex that helps to support the look of dark circles. For lines, there's Matrixyl Morphomics. This peptide helps promote collagen, lessen the appearance of deep expression lines, and firm skin. For hydration, there's Olival 24, drawn from watermelon, apple, lentil, and olive fruit. It restores a luminous glow and is clinically proven to deliver 24 hours of hydration that reduces water loss, increases moisture, and visibly improves firmness for skin that's vibrant and healthy-looking at any age. Superfood Complex is a blend of adaptogens that supports the skin's moisture barrier. Created with highly moisturizing tremella mushrooms, it prevents moisture loss, enhances collagen production, and boosts antioxidant support against free radicals for more radiant skin. There's also Abyssinian Oil. Rich in omegas, it delivers deep hydration and a more youthful look. The formula also includes 1% Bakuchiol Complex, plant-derived, delivered in encapsulated liposomal form to promote smoother skin. And finally, Xanthophylls. They add a layer of antioxidant protection around your delicate eye area, defending against blue light and pollution. This is Celavive's clean promise. No parabens, no formaldehyde, no mineral oil, no harsh chemicals, no phenoxyethanol. Each high-quality product is tested for sensitive skin and reviewed by a board-certified dermatologist. It's also free from oils and alcohol, making it a gentle yet effective choice for sensitive skin. Using skincare each day and night is key to seeing real results. After 1 week hydration support, skin feels more supple, reduced visible puffiness, and subtle smoothing. After 2 to 3 weeks, mild visible brightening, visible dark circles may begin to lighten and fine lines appear softer. After 1 month, visible reduction in dark circles and fine lines, more even skin tone and firmness, sustained hydration and reduced puffiness. Long-term benefits begin to set in. Your skin may take up to 1 month to adjust to a new product, so be patient. It's worth it. Try Celavive products consistently for 90 days. Start with skin essentials. Begin with our powerhouse products to give you real, noticeable results and the confidence to age fearlessly. The essentials: vitalizing serum or resurfacing serum, triple action eye cream, and contouring face and neck creme. For everyday staples, add a cleanser, perfecting toner, and a day product per skin type. For enriched rituals, add a makeup remover and an additional serum or mask. The Celavive system has 4 steps. Step 1, cleanse. Step 2, tone. Step 3, correct. This is where triple action eye cream belongs. Step 4, hydrate. Your best routine starts here. And now, it's been upgraded. Enhanced BioPeptide-CS. Enhanced Olival 24. Active ingredients increased from 2% to 19% in a glass bottle with premium finishes. If you want a brighter, well-rested look for your eyes, get in touch with us. Links are below. See you next time.